So welcome back, you guys, to our channel. If you guys are new, we are the Burt Tribe. We have Layla, and we have Maddie, and we have Hannah.
The eating champion here.
What are we doing?
Pudding eating contest.
Yes, pudding eating contest. I don't want you taking those out yet. Sit down, okay?
Look, I got my hands tied already.
Good job. I'm gonna just put these right here for right now. And after, if you need a drink, then
My hand is already tied together.
make sure your hands are tied into your back.
I'm gonna practice.
Layla, would you hold this?
I can't.
You got your hands tied too. You got your hands? Okay, you hold it.
Hi. There's Hannah. There's Layla. I'm gonna be winning. So comment down below. I wouldn't keep your hope. Cream baby. With cream baby. You. Hey, Hannah, you don't say that.
No, there's gonna be something inside that you have to get and eat. Okay?
Here's Layla.
I'm just gonna
I beat Maddie on the pudding eating contest. No, I actually won
Now
because
you
you kept my
cannot,
face in.
when you're doing this, don't move your plate, okay? You have to keep your hands behind and everything, okay?
Well, but it's got to be underneath it.
I don't know yet.
I don't know yet.
You gotta eat all the pudding though, okay?
Look! Hannah,
And
let
you
me...
gotta try not to get us a dirty face.
Hannah, you're bad. Cherries! I want one to eat right now. Me! I want one to eat too. I want one to eat one. No. Sorry about that. I need help. Hey. Take this out. Can't. Hang on. Come here. Take this out. Hang on here.
You can use your hands right now, just not when the pudding in.
Well, I'm gonna be ready.
You have to get one more.
Oh, look, Tim. Oh, yeah. Hey, that's mine. Where's Layla's?
Whoever the loser is gets smashed. The two losers get smashed.
Oh, crap. Me gets you too.
Don't eat it yet.
Hair. Right, put up my hair. For today's. I don't have elastic for my hair.
Here, face it towards me. Face the camera towards me. Make sure they can see me.
Oh crap, this is my only elastic. But
Yeah, just don't use your hands.
yeah.
Guys, we are doing the pudding eating contest. I'm not doing this. I smashed my pudding yesterday in Layla's face. And have a good old time there, girls.
Which Layla, her or her?
That's not Layla. That's Hannah.
Oh, Hannah over there. Layla is right there. Hey, Layla. Hoi. That jiggle.
Cherry.
Wait, did you put cherry in mine yet? Pudding eating contest, and I'll tell you who will
My
win.
hands are washed.
What? Hannah's gonna be easier to get. For pudding.
This is Madison's. A little clockwise.
What?
But you
That's
have
not
to eat.
fair.
But listen, you have to eat all the pudding too. You can, and you have to spit your seed out on the plate when you're done.
Could you please not give me that much? Well, she has to. Well, my tummy's full.
You're
Sure,
gonna
I'll
be
be
sick
there.
then.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Maddie, I'll take that. We are already 5 minutes into this thing. Alrighty. Hold this for me. Nope. Use your hands. Use your hands. Just let them know.
This is the pudding. That's the whipped cream. Can I have another cherry? This is the cherry. This is
Hang
Layla
on.
asking the cherries with the big huge eyes. This is Maddie crunching down. Wants to eat something right now. Looks like she's stop.
She's like, what am I doing?
Stop.
You keep your mouth.
Layla,
your nose
doing
out
it.
of Layla, you better. You're
Stop. What awkward what?
You're gonna get a whole bunch, Hannah.
Hey, you're cheating.
There we go.
Get what? You're bigger.
Stop. Nah. Stop.
Right. I'm gonna tell you on your mark. Get set. Go.
Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet. Hands behind your back. Hang on. When I turn on the music, you can go.
Nothing but a shell of a man. It's the only time I'm by your side. I'm by your side, understand. Can't you see?
Hands behind your back.
Cherry.
Hey, give on eating. Open that mouth and like that. Keep on eating. Nope, she won. Okay. Stay right there. In her eye.
I told you shouldn't keep up your hope.
Well, I knew she was gonna probably end up losing because, you know,
No, Hannah.
she's little.
No, Hannah. I told her not to keep up her hopes.
Well, no, but I knew Madison wouldn't because, I mean, she's little. Yeah. How? Now you guys want cake and ice cream?
A good one is the Layla just be quiet. I was quiet.
Alright, you guys, I hope you what is it? Enjoyed our pudding eating contest. We had so much fun. This is part of the thing too. We're having cake and ice cream and
9-hour
stuff like that. We're gonna set up a buffet, ice cream buffet. So you can put whatever you want.
I don't want.
Alright, say goodbye.
Bye.